Hello everyone, this is Jobair Mahmud, a data-driven digital marketing expert. In this video, you will know about how to enable data layer in Shopbase website and how to connect Google Tag Manager on Shopbase website. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you see, my display is showing the Shopbase website price. This is the basic, this is the standard, this is the pro package, and luckily Shopbase has 14 days free trial, so that's why I just try to how to enable the data layer in Shopbase website. So adding tag manager, you need to at first go in your Shopbase website, and here you see lots of option, and here you see the online store. And online store, you go to the preference, click the preference, and here say you can see the meta description, Google Analytics. You can add the Google Analytics Universal Analytics property, GA4 property here, but we are a smart digital marketer, we don't do like this. We will add Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. You can set up Facebook Pixel conversion API like this channel app, and here you see the additional script. This is the main part. Here you see the head option, and this is my website. This is I made for test purpose to show you how to enable data layer and how to add the Google Tag Manager in Shopbase. So this is like a demo purpose, and this is my tag manager for practice. So I click the container ID, and here you see the head tag. Okay, we just copy it and paste it here. And another option is the body. We will just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and then we will save it. Then we just refresh here. Shopbase has different kind of channel app like Google Channel, Google Ad, TikTok, Pinterest, Bing Ad, Snapchat. If you want it, you can use those channels, but I prefer to add Google Tag Manager and set up those tag with Google Tag Manager. So back to the point, we just preview the Google Tag Manager. Okay, we just preview the Google Tag Manager, and here we paste the URL of our website, and this is our website has opening, and some demo product I have added before. And let's see what happened in the backend. Okay, connected. You see the view item event was fired as like GA4 schema. Let's see the data layer event item ID. This is the GA4 schema and item variant category. When you're trying to set up the Google Analytics for e-commerce tracking, you just track the e-commerce.item, and it will be track the whole thing. So let's purchase a product and see what happens. And we will go to the checkout. Add to cart was fired, begin checkout was fired. Okay, just I have added the test payment gateway, the card number, and here you see the thank you was showing. Let's see what happened. Here you see the purchase was happened. Two product I have purchased. There are two item array was there. See the item transaction ID was there, and value, shipping, currency, coupon, all the thing you needed, it will be added here. So this is how you can add it. And the another question is how to add the payment gateway, the payment provider. You go to the payment provider, and here we see that I have added the test payment gateway. You can add it here, and it will be added to your website. So this is how you can add Google Tag Manager and enabling the data layer without any hesitation. If you need any kind of service of Google Analytics for Facebook conversion API, pixel tracking, so I can help you to set up it and help to grow your revenue. with a data driven approach. This is all for today's video. Hope I will be coming up with another brand new video. So till then, take care, goodbye and tata.